All matter in this English language lesson specific to student school. Class 1 Senior High School. Chapter 3. Would you like to come? All matter in this English language lesson had written by Nova Angelia. Listening. In this session, you will learn how to respond to expression of making, accepting, declining an invitation. Respond to expression of making and cancelling an appointment. Respond to oral instruction. Activity 2. Look at the picture and study it, then answer the question. Picture 1. One. What kind of card is this? An invitation card. 2. Have you ever been invited by someone? Yes, I have. 3. What do you say if you want to invite someone? I am having a party on Saturday night. Alexander, would you like to come? 4. What do you say if you want to accept an invitation? Certainly, I'd love to come. 5. What do you say if you want to decline an invitation? I am very sorry. I do not think I can come to your party. Six. What do you say when someone makes an appointment with you? I will promise I will be there. 7. What do you feel when someone cancels his or her appointment? I feel it to him or her. 8. What will you say to him or her? Well, that is okay. We can meet next time. 52. Listen to the following short dialogue and answer the question. Dialogue 1. Donnie, we are having a party on Saturday night, Susie. Would you like to come? Susie, certainly, I'd love to come. Donnie, great, see you there. 1. Where or when will you find this situation? In my house when I am birthday. 2. What does Donnie say to Susie? Would you like to come to my party on Saturday night? 3. How does Susie respond to Donnie's invitation? Certainly, I'd love to come. Activity 3. You will hear this expression, then find any possible responses to its expression. 1. Will you like to come to lunch on Saturday? 2. You will come to my birthday, will not you? 3. Let's meet at 10 a.m. o'clock tomorrow morning. 4. Shall we have dinner this evening at my house? 5. I will promise I will be there. 6. I did love to. Thank you very much. 7. How about tomorrow morning? 8. Thank you for asking me, but I cannot come. 9. I am very sorry. I do not think I can come to your party. 10. I did like to, but I have got an exam tomorrow. Activity 4. Listen to the tape and complete the following dialogue based on what you heard. Dialogue 1. Ari, do you have a plan for tomorrow holiday? Rita, too bad, I have nothing to do. Arif, I have got a plan for tomorrow. 1. Will you like to come to my house? Rita, really? Tell me please, then I will decide to come or not. Arif, I have got a new interesting novel and VCD of a drama performance. Rita, whoa, great. What are they about? Are they interesting? Arif, if I tell you now, it will not surprise you. Now decide. 2. Will you come to my house to enjoy them? Rita, 3. I did love to. I will be at your house at 8 a.m. o'clock in the morning. Dialogue 2. Posuma, hello Fauji, this is Posuma. Fauji? Hi Posuma, can I help you? Posuma, I did like to have a general check-up. It has been 2 months since my last visit to you. Fauji? Okay, I am free on Tuesday afternoon. 4. Let's meet at 5 p.m. o'clock. Posuma. 5. I will be there. Bye. Fauji, bye. Posuma, hello Fauji, it is me Posuma. This is about our appointment. Fauji, what is wrong? Posuma, actually I will attend a meeting. 6. I am sorry, I cannot make it. Koji, well. 7, that is okay. We can meet next time. Kusuma, alright, see you. Koji, see you. Activity 5. Complete the following dialogues with the expression of invitation and appointment. Work in pairs. 1. Ahmad, I plan to go to the National Library this afternoon. Do you want to follow with me to the National Library this afternoon? Rudy, yes, I do. I want to follow with you to the National Library this afternoon. 2. Mega, why do not you go shopping with me? Siti, because I have family business. What time shall we go? Mega, at 8 a.m. o'clock. Siti, okay, I will be there. 3. Ina, my family is going to have a kambing guling party tonight. Do you want to try it kambing guling with us party tonight? Rini, yes, I do. I want to try it kambing guling with you party tonight. Kambing guling is my favorite food. Activity 6. Read dialogue based on the following situation. Make appointment and invitation, then accept it of them. 1. Alexander, what are you doing? Alexander, I am playing tennis. How about you? Alexander, I am playing chess. Later noon, I having lunch with the family. Do later noon you want to joining me for having lunch in a restaurant? Alexander, yes, I do. Later on, I want to joining you for having lunch in a restaurant. But after I going to the theater stage 1, just I will joining you for having lunch. Alexander, alright, never mind. Later on, we will wait you in restaurant. See you. Alexandra, see you. Activity 7. Listen to the following dialogue and fill in the blank space. Compare your answer to your friends. Dialogue 1. Fanny, excuse me, do you mind if I sit here? I am waiting for my friend. Dina, no. 1. It is okay. Fanny, I brought some sandwich. 2. Do you want some? Dina, thank you. It is very delicious. By the way, my name is Rina. 3. Nice to meet you. Fanny, I am Fanny. Nice to meet you too. Dina, 4. Could you tell me how to make this sandwich? Funny. Okay. 5. 1. Take 2 pieces of bread. Spread butter on each piece, then cut cheese into slices. 6. After that, place the slice on one piece of the bread. Finally, put the other piece, 7, on the top. Lina, it is very simple, I think. Santi, hi Fanny. Hey, I am sorry, I am late. Fanny, that is okay. Activity 8. You will hear some steps of making something. Make the following titles with the correct step. 1. How to make a cheese sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread, put a slice of butter on each side, cram some cheese into slices, place the slice on a piece of bread, put the other piece of bread on the top. 2. How to make a cup of tea. Put some tea into a teapot. Add boiling water. Leave it for 3 minutes. Pour it into a glass or cup. Add some sugar or milk. 3. How to boil an egg. Put some water in a pot. Heat the water. Put an egg into the water. Boil the water for 3 minutes. Take out the egg and let it cool. Activity 9. Provide the following materials. Follow the teacher's instructions to make a pinwheel. Picture 1. One, draw 2 lines from one corner to another of the paper. 2. Then cut inwards from each corner halfway to the center point. 3. Next fold over each point with a dot on it and tap it to the center. 4. After that, push the drawing pin through the center and into the rubber on the end of the pencil. 5. Finally, you can now blow on the pinwheel and watch it spinning. Activity 10. You will hear your teacher giving instructions for making coffee. After listening, answer the question. One, Andre, how do you make a Turkish coffee? What do you have to do? Exactly. Jim, well, say, you want to make a cup of coffee, okay? You put 4 cups of cool water and 4 liberty spoons of sugar in the coffee pot. Then you light the gas and put the coffee on the stove and pour a bite of the water into one of the cups. Then you put the 4 heaped teaspoons of coffee in the coffee pot and stir it Now it is very important not to put the coffee in before you pour it some water off, or else it will overflow and make a terrible mess. Jim, so anyway, you put the pot back on the stove and let the coffee come back to the boil very slowly. When it starts to boil, the coffee will rise slowly up to the top of the pot, and when it reaches the top, you take it off the stove, okay? Before you pour the coffee out, you shall pour back the water that you poured off earlier. This helps to make the ground settle. See? Okay. Andre? Yes, thanks a lot, Jim. Activity 11. Listen to your teacher instruction and do the following test. Picture 1. One, place the paper on a flat surface with one corner on top in the shape of a diamond. 2. Fold the point on the leaf over to meet the right point, then unfold it. You will have a crease in the center. 3. Fold the lower leaf and lower right sides so they meet at the crease. Make your folds as sharp as possible. 4. What you have should look like a kite. Now fold down the top point to make a small triangle. 5. Fold over the right side to meet the left side. 6. Turn the shape so that the long side is facing you. 7. Pull up the point at the end to make a tail. 8. Draw a face on your wheel. Speaking. In this session, you will learn how to use expression of making, accepting, declining, and invitation. Use expression of making and cancelling at appointment. Perform a monologue of procedure text. Activity 1. Read and study the following expression and answer the question. Picture 1. One, when and where do you usually hear those expressions? When I am receive an invitation from other people in my house. 2. Are all those expressions used for invitation? Yes, they are. 3. What do you think are not expression of invitation. I will be there on time. Just wait for me. 4. How are they? Different. They become different type because they make different sentence. Activity 2. Now look at the sentences below and decide if the person is making an invitation or just being friendly. 1. Let's go jolly sometime, being friendly. 2. How about going to the theater on Saturday night? Invitation. 3. Please stop by our house sometime, being friendly. 4. It is my birthday on Friday. Will you like to come? Invitation. 5. Let's get together for lunch soon. Invitation. Activity 3. Read and study this dialogue, then add them out with your friend. Dialogue 1. Ira. Hello. Ari. Hi Ira. This is Ari. Ira. Hi. How have you been? Ari. Alright. Thanks. Say, well, you like to go out tonight? Ira. Sorry. I cannot. I have money matter to settle down. Ari. Well, how about tomorrow night? Are you still busy? Ira. I guess not. Ari. Well, would you like to go to a concert? Ira. Sure, I did love to. Ari. That is settled. Done. Dialogue 2. Robbie. Hi Sandra, there will be a great film tonight. It is about Nasreddin. Would you like to go to the movie with me? Sandra. Of course, I did love to. When will you pick me up? Robbie. I will pick you up at 7:30 AM o'clock. Be ready. Sandra. Okay. Activity 4. Read and practice another dialogue. Then identify the expression of making an appointment. Alessandra. Some clinic, can I help you? Sugiyarto. Yes, I need further information about your quitting smoking program in the smoking clinic. Alessandra. The clinic will gladly inform you about the program, but you have to come to the clinic. Sugiyato. Alright, when shall I come? Alessandra. How about tomorrow at 9 PM o'clock? Dr. Aliwardana will be available for consultation about the program. Sugiyarto, I will be there. Alessandra, can I have your name, please? Sugiarto, Lita Sugiyarto. Alessandra, alright, Miss Lita Sugiyarto, you will meet Dr. Aliwardana tomorrow at 9 p.m. o'clock. Sugiyarto, thank you, bye. Alessandra, you are welcome, bye. Activity 5. Walk in pairs and complete the dialogue using the expression of making, advertisement, and invitation, then add it out in front of the class. Randy, hi Wendy. 1. Do you have a plans at this moment? Wendy, well, I do not have any plan at this moment. Randy, oh good. By the way, this weekend is my special day. 2. I plan will make a little party at my house this weekend. Randy, oh really? 3. I will be there. Randy, thank you, Wendy. 4. Please you come for a little party at my house this weekend. Wendy, okay, I will. Promise. I will be there. 5. I need your help. Randy, 6. Can you help me? Wendy, sure, I will help you. Wendy, thank you very much, Wendy. See you then. Wendy, you are welcome. You see you. Bye. Activity 6. Make your own dialogue and act out this situation using the expression you have learned. 1. You are at school. You will have a graduation party this evening. Invite these people to your party. 2. Master, he declined because he is busy. 3. The senior teacher, he accepted. 4. You make an appointment with your classmate to study together at the library. She or he promises that he or will come. 5. You invite a new student to join the party. He does not want to accept as he does not know anybody. Persuade him to come. 6. A colleague invite you to have a dinner. You accept, then your cousin invite you out. At the same night, you refuse but invite him or her for going to a theater on Saturday night. He or she accepts. Activity 7. Answer the question orally. 1. Do you like instant noodles? Yes, I like it. 2. How often do you eat instant noodles? Every day. 3. Do you prepare your instant noodles by yourself? 2. No, I not, because my mother prepares it. 4. How do you prepare your instant noodles? My mother cooks my instant noodles. Activity 8. Read the following recipe. Pay attention to your expression in giving instruction. One. How to cook spit chicken. Clean the chicken, cut the chicken into small pieces, sprinkle it with salt, pepper, spice, fry with vegetable for 5 minutes, add water and cook it slowly for about 40 minutes. 2. How to barbecue lamb. Cut the meat into small cubes, cut up the tomatoes, onions, green peppers into quarters. Put the meat and vegetable pieces on a skewer. Cover them with barbecue sauce and cook them in the oven for 30 minutes. Activity 9. Walk in place and read the instructions in Activity 8. Now make a dialogue to tell your friend how to cook the dessert. Use the following model. One. Sally, how do you cook spit chicken? Emily, I cook spit chicken. With manner. Clean the chicken, cut the chicken into small pieces, sprinkle it with salt, pepper, spice, fry with vegetables for 5 minutes, add water and cook it slowly for about 40 minutes. Sally, then what do you do? Emily, I cook barbecue lamb. Sally: And what do you do after that? Emily: I cook barbecue lamb with manner, cut the meat into small cups, cut up the tomatoes, onions, green peppers into quarters, put the meat and vegetable fish on a skewer, cover them with barbecue sauce and cook them in the oven for 30 minutes. Activity 10. Study the following dialogue, then make a dialogue about how to make tomato soup and to make egg and lemon soup just like the examples. 1. Tomato soup. 4 large tomatoes. Spice: 1 small onion, half teaspoon of salt, a cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, small clove garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of butter, cut tomatoes, onion, garlic into small pieces, fry them in a pan with butter for 5 minutes. Add water, spice, salt, pepper, heat until the water boils, turn down the heat and cover with lid, cook gentle for 1 hour. 2. Egg and lemon soup. 3 pints chicken stock, juice of 2 lemon, 3 ounce rice, salt and pepper, 4 eggs and well beaten. Put stock into a pan and heat until boiling. Add rice and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Mix together egg and lemon juice. Add 3 tablespoons of stock to the mixture and stir. Stir this mixture into the remaining stock in pan. Add a little of salt and pepper. Cook gentle for 3 minutes. Activity 11. Choose your favorite food. Tell the class about it. Here is the example of how you tell them about it. One. Let me tell you how to make tomato soup. You need to provide 4 large tomatoes, 1 small onion, a cup of water, small clove garlic, spice, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of butter, of 1 all cut tomatoes, onion, garlic into small pieces. Be careful with the knife, then fry them in a pan for 5 minutes. Use butter instead of vegetable oil. Reading. In this session, you will learn how to identify meaning and information in a procedure text. Identify the structure of a procedure text. Read a monologue in the form of procedure text. Activity 1. Answer the following question orally. 1. Have you ever been instructed to do something? Yes, I have. 2. What kind of instruction was it? Instruction for electronic goods. 3. Have you instructed someone to do something? Yes, I have. 4. What kind of instruction was it? Instruction for electronic goods. 2. Study the bar graph, then answer the question that follow. Picture 1. How many students were involved in the survey? 30 students. 2. How many students rely on their friends? 28. 3. What percentage of students read the manual when they find a problem with their gadget? 86%. 4. What is the most popular way to solve the problem with gadget? Ask a friend. Activity 3. Read the following instruction, then answer the question. Pay attention to the structure of the text. Picture 1. What do we do want to operate a fan? Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. 2. How can we change the speed of the fan? To change the speed of the fan, press one of the switch at the bottom. 3. What do we do to make it move sideways? To make the fan move sideways, push the pin on top of the motor. 4. How do we make it go up and down? 2. Move the fan up or down. 1. Pull up the oscillating pin, press the tilt adjustment knob. Activity 4. Now read another text and identify the structure of the text. 1. Regido tempe filter 150 gram tempe, 2 tablespoons fried shallot, 3 kefir, lime leaf, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 egg, 1 cup vegetable oil for frying, spice paste. 3. Large chilies and seed remove, 3 small chilies, 2 red shallot, 2 cloves garlic, half teaspoon chopped galangal, 1 candle nut, half teaspoon coriander seed, half teaspoon salt, 1 per 4 teaspoons cream paste. Mix the tempeh with a fork or place in the bowl of a food processor and blend some. Clean the spit in a mortar and pestle and place in the bowl of a food processor and blend to a smooth paste. Put the mashed tempeh in a bowl and mix with the spit paste, fresh shallot, lime leaf. Stir in the flour followed by the egg. Shape the tempeh into fritter the size of a golf ball and flatten a little with a fork. One, heat the vegetable oil in a wok over a medium flame. When the oil is hot, drop the fritter into the oil 5 or 6 at a time. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Drain on, absorb pepper and serve hot with rice. Activity 5. Pronounce the following words and find their meaning. Pay attention to your pronunciation. 1. Instruction, procedure. 2. Procedure, instruction. 3. Recipe, prescription. 4. Ingredient concoction. 5. Neat sample. 6. Roll cut, binding exit. 7. Sprinkle sow. 8. Press thread. 9. Grease fat. 10. Knuckle bone. 11. Mix blend. 12. Blend mix. 13. Open stove. 14. Fold flip. 5. Margarine butter. Activity 6. Read the following text and choose the correct answer to the question that follow. Text 1. One. The word well known is the one line means A. Great. B. Word. C. Special. D. Famous. 2. Where may we look for unusual gift? A. Anywhere. B. In at auction. C. In the internet. D. In the craft shop. 3. Before give an unusual gift, it suggests that we give one. A. A real print. B. A photo frame. C. A unique furniture. D. A welcome service. 4. The word in the text that means not too many is A. Rare. B. Sweet. C. Unique. D. Important. 5. Giving gift may be important to A. Make us unusual. B. Complete our collection. C. Get the recipient attention. D. Celebrate special moment. Activity 7. Make imperative sentences based on the situation given. 1. Your uncle is writing a novel. He cannot concentrate his mind where the volume of the television is too loud. What will you, uncle, say? Decrease television volume. 2. Your teacher will not come into the classroom because it is very dirty. What will he or she say? What's your classroom? 3. There is no sugar in the kitchen. What will your father say? Pour sugar into kitchen. 4. It is 6 a.m. o'clock. You are still sleeping when your mother comes into your bedroom. What will your father say? Get up. 5. Andrew never comes on time. He always late, although his wife often warns him. What will Andrew's wife say to him? Come on time to house. Activity 8. Make imperative sentences using the following verb related to cooking. 1. Cut off. 2. Sprinkle salt. 3. Add increase. 4. Cut. 5. Slice straight. Seek for decant. 7 foot lay. 8 head warm. 9 stir medal. 10 back bar. Active T9. Find a recipe or manual instruction from a newspaper, magazine, internet, then identify the imperative sentences on it. Report it to the class. 1. How to cook spiced chicken. Clean the chicken, cut the chicken into small pieces, sprinkle it with salt, pepper, spice, fry with vegetables for 5 minutes, and water, and cook it slowly for about 40 minutes. 2. How to barbecue lamb. Cut the meat into small cups, cut up the tomatoes, onions, green peppers into quarters, put the meat and vegetables pieces on a skewer. Cover them with barbecue sauce and cook them in the oven for 30 minutes. Writing. In this session, you will learn how to write a simple instruction, arrange an instruction into a good order of procedure text, write procedure text. Activity 1. Answer the question orally. 1. Have you ever written a recipe taken from a magazine or newspaper? Yes, I have. 2. What should you write on a recipe? Yes, I should. 3. What kind of information do we usually get from recipe? an instruction. 4. Are recipes important in our life? Why? Yes, it is, so that we do not destroy that goods as consequence of our ignorance in use that goods. Activity 2. Classify these words into their categories in the following table. 1. Material: butter, egg, milk, cheese, chocolate, sugar, flour. Method: remove, pour, braise, add, roast, chocolate, sprinkle, knead, garnish, boil, bake. Sentence connector: 1. Next, then, finally. Activity 3. Rearrange this jumbled text. The teacher will have you to arrange it. Do it in pairs. Feature 1. How to prepare fried rice. To make fried rice, you will need some rice, vegetables, meat, eggs. The best vegetables to use are onion, garlic, tomatoes, cucumber. 1. Cut up the meat into very small pieces and fry it in a pan. At the same time, cook the rice in another pan. Then cut up the onions and garlic and fry them. Now you can break in 2 or 3 eggs. Stir the mixture and add salt, pepper, other spices. When the rice is cooked, add it to the meat and the vegetables. Finally, cut up a cucumber into thin slices and press the slice on top of the rice. Serve the fried rice with hot sauce if you like. Activity 4. Study the following paragraph. It contains 9 mistakes. Find the error and correct them. Rewrite the corrected paragraph. 1. It is not difficult to remove the shell from a lobster if you follow this step. 1. You should put the lobster on its back and remove the 2 legs, claws, and tail section. After that, you must also twist off the flipper at end of tail section. After this stage use your finger to push the lobster meat out of the tail in one piece. Next, remove the black fin from the tail meat. Finally, before you sit down to enjoy your meal, break open the clip with a nutcracker and remove the meat. Activity 5. Talk in group and arrange the following text into appropriate order. Rewrite it using your own words. One. How to record on the cassette player and how to use a recorder. Then you put in the tape on it. After that, you connected the finally press down the record and play button. microphone, and then tested the voice level recorder while one you have to plug in the code. Then you can begin to record it. Activity 6. Now write one of the instructions based on the following procedures. Work individually. 1. Manual book. How to use a faxing machine, how to operate a computer, how to use automatic teller machine, how to open an account at a bank, how to use a video compact disc or digital video disc player.